Hi everyone, welcome to another video in the video series called Shortcut to Shortcut. This particular video is a mixed bag because we will have a look at what are the other options that is available in the Open Other dialog box. I have a new sort of video track over here, and then if I click on File, Open Other, last time what we did was we had a look at color and we used that to create a progress bar for your video. So we'll not look at that right now because you've already had a look at it before. Instead, we'll have a look at a couple of other things. Number one is text. So let's say if you have some text over here, and then if I click on Add to Timeline, you can see that this text, you can add this text to your entire video. So this is useful if you want to layer a text onto all your videos, and you don't need to necessarily create a transparent element in your video track and then add a filter to it. You can literally just use this and add add your text. A couple of other things that I found hilarious was if you click on Open Other, you can have color bars, something called as color bars. I can add that to the timeline. And this is what it looks like. So this is nice to add like small effects in between. You can add some sound effects in the audio track that goes along with this. And you have your color bars over here. In terms of the other color bars, I think you can try a few other ones as well. I don't know what this Philips one looks like. Um, but there you go. That's the Philips color bars. So that's quite unique as well. If you click on Open Other, you can have a countdown. So you can have countdown going on. So this is nice if you're literally needing a pre-built countdown. So you don't need to add royalty footages. You can literally You don't need to download any royalty free footages. You can literally just create your own countdown over here, and that adds a nice countdown effect to your video. Um, there you go. You have some noise that you can add. So the noise is actually going to be noisy. And so this part, I'll just decrease the volume of this part, but actually it's quite noisy. So there you go. If you wanted this effect where you have just static noise, you can add that as well. I can also add some plasma effects to the timeline. And this is what it looks like. So just some patterns that you can play around with. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of stuff in this open other dialog box. That is just a mixed bag of different things for different use cases. So this was just a quick video to showcase what else is available there. And of course, there are more options that you can still play around with, which I'll leave you to explore in your own time. But that was it for this video. A quick video to showcase open others. Hope you like this video. Give it a like, share and subscribe to this channel for more videos to come on this channel, and comment down below what would you like to see in this video series. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.